Hi everyone, this is a video about this LED ceiling light with motion sensor from Lidl. That normally the price of this is about $15.99 and they have reduced it to it was $14.99 and they reduced it to $10.49 for a complete LED ceiling light with motion sensor, PIR adjustable motion sensor, for just £10 with the glass dome or glass diffuser, as we are going to talk about this. This item is really recommendable, as it has the motion sensor and has good quality, as well as 3 years of warranty. So nothing is exciting about the box. These are all the specification. You can pause and read it if you want to, but on the box it just says frosted glass lampshade, and then for indoor and outdoor use, maximum triggering distance is 12 meter. The angle is when it's on the wall is 150 degrees, when it's on the ceiling is 360 degrees. And this is the problem that we are going to talk about, includes LED light bulbs. But when I bought it, I missed out on this, and I just read that one, and I thought it has one of those LED lights that I show you later on. But still, it's worth every penny. And the PIR sensor is adjustable for the distance, for the luminosity, and for the duration of the light to be on. Nothing exciting anywhere else. This is just the rating. And on the top, with this light bulb that they have provided with this one, it has 806 lumen, 10 watts, and it says uses up to 83% less energy. I get everything out of the box, and we are going to talk about this. I don't think this offer is going to last long, and I stress, if anyone looking for this, you better go and get it as soon as you can. So I get everything out of the box and we talk more. When you get everything out of the box, you face with the light itself. We are going to open this dome, this shade, glass shade, and then we look at it inside, and this is the instruction manual. And the important part of this is how to adjust those dip switches in there, that we are going to talk about this a little bit more. But this is the supposed to be the warranty and the instruction manual, how to install it on the wall. And we have some screws, some wall plugs, and I suppose it's going to be of good quality. And this is the disappointment that I had. It came one of these E27 type LED lights with 10 watts and 806 lumens, warm white, that I already installed it in there. But in the first instance, when I purchased this, I thought it comes with one of these, but unfortunately it just came with that cheap but good quality light bulb, and is E27, one of those screw types that, not really used these days. So I thought it's coming with one of these, but unfortunately not. So when you open this glass dome, it has a plastic seal here, if you can see that. Is really heavy and good quality. Just imagine, only this one could worth £10 with the ceiling attachment. Ceiling attachment is plastic and it is not bad, and this is the light bulb that it came with. Ignore this cable, I just put it on for demonstration on this video. And this is the dip switch that we have here. It has 9 switches here. If you want to read, let me just make it to focus. And it tells you in the instruction manual exactly how you can control the duration, the distance, and the luminosity for this sensor to come on. And the sensor is that little black lens that you see there, and this is the standby light. I didn't see that to come on, but we are going to look at it. And this is the installation point. It doesn't have ground, as this one is plastic. It just have live and neutral, and there is a grommet here, or whatever you call this, to protect the cable from scratching. And this is the light bulb. Is nothing special to look at. I just put it on the mains and we look at it, how bright it is. It's not really bright at all, but the good thing about this is that you can install any sort of light bulb that you want here, and there isn't any sort of tolerance for this unit, as the back plate is metal. So you can install, I guess, between 20 to 50 watts normal incandescent lights. That is much better. So when you turn it on, it just comes on. As you see, it's not really bright, but it emits a little bit of heat here. And as soon as anything moves in front of this, it's going to turn on. And how it looks, I hear you shout, with the diffuser. So I put the diffuser on, and the way to get the diffuser off is just twisting it this way and then taking it off. There is a little bit of discoloration here, so I guess I can get rid of that. It's not from inside, it's from outside. But the point of this video is that this one is really recommendable. Let me just turn it off now. Really recommendable, and only this PIR switch or sensor is about 7 to 12 pounds. It depends where you are going to get this, and this light bulb is minimum of 5 pounds, as it is 10 pounds, and the whole assembly of this is if you go on eBay, easily you can buy one of these for 10 pounds. So altogether is about 30 pounds worth of stuff that you have here, and is very hackable, as it has these attachments that you can screw some sort of LED to this, LED discs to this. But unfortunately the size is important, because it's going to cover this lens there, the sensor there. But all in all, I just wanted to share with you. If you want, at Lidl at this moment of time is for £10.49, and it might go even lower. Just at the end of this video, let me just show you the light bulb. I tried to take this part off. Still it's a little bit warm here. With that short period of time that it was on, I tried to twist this, but it needs a brute force in order to open this, and most probably you are going to destroy this. There was a telephone call, I had to answer that. Anyhow, this is the information on this light bulb if you want to read. And the brand, it says EDI light. It's not bad, it's of reasonable quality. And something else that I wanted to show you, I have some sort of LED lights that I'm going to show you in my next video. Just give you a glimpse of this. I have bought 18 of these lights, 8 of these lights for £16 with 5 I think is 3 watts of LED lights, but the quality wasn't really good and the brightness is not bad, but still I wanted to show you. They sent me these by mistakes, but I had the replacement. This is not bad. I'm going to review this. I have 2 types of this, and we are going to talk about this in my next video. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.